In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ClickUp desktop app issues. ClickUp is a powerful productivity tool designed to help you manage your tasks and projects seamlessly. But like any software, it can occasionally run into hiccups. If you're experiencing issues with the ClickUp desktop app, don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through a series of simple and effective steps to get it back up and running smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll likely have resolved your problem, or at least know exactly what to do next. Let's get started. First, make sure you completely close the ClickUp desktop app. And by completely, I mean don't just minimize it to your taskbar or dock, fully quit the app. On Windows, you can do this by right-clicking the app icon in the system tray and selecting Quit. For Mac users, click on the app menu at the top and select Quit ClickUp. Once the app is closed, relaunch it and see if the issue persists. Next, check if the app is up to date. Open the app and look for an update option in the settings menu. Alternatively, you can check your system's App Store or Update menu for ClickUp updates. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Once updated, restart the app to ensure the changes take effect. Now, let's rule out any internet connectivity problems. Confirm that your internet connection is stable by testing another website or app. Open a browser and try visiting a site you frequently use. If the website loads without issues, your network is likely fine. However, if you notice connectivity issues, that could be the root of your problem. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router to improve the signal strength. If possible, switch to a wired connection using an Ethernet cable, as this often provides a more stable and reliable connection. If your connection drops frequently, pause any heavy downloads or streaming activities on your network. You can also try restarting your modem and router by unplugging them for about 30 seconds before plugging them back in. Sometimes, security tools like VPNs, firewalls, or antivirus software can interfere with ClickUp. Temporarily disable these tools and then test the app again. If the app works without issues, you'll need to add ClickUp to the allowed or exceptions list within your security software. Once that's done, you can re-enable your VPN, firewall, or antivirus protection. If none of these steps resolve the problem, it's time to uninstall the ClickUp desktop app. On Windows, go to the Control Panel or Settings menu and look for the Apps section. Find ClickUp in the list, select it, and choose Uninstall on Mac. Drag the app from your Applications folder into the trash, then empty the trash to complete the process. After uninstalling, head to the official ClickUp website by typing www.clickup.com into your browser. Download the latest version of the desktop app directly from the site, and follow the installation prompts to reinstall it on your system. Once the installation is complete, open the app, sign back into your account, and check if your spaces and tasks are syncing properly. If you've tried all these steps and the issue still isn't resolved, it's time to reach out to ClickUp support. Visit their support page, which you can find under the Help and Feedback section in the app or by going to www.clickup.com/help. Provide a detailed description of the issue you're experiencing, along with the steps you've already tried to fix it. This will help their team assist you more efficiently. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and try it out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.